Today we're going to be making my blistering barbecue sauce. This sauce is so versatile, whether you're using it on the grill, in the oven, it doesn't matter, it just tastes delicious. One of my favorite ways to have it is on ribs, and today's version I'm going to be making a little bit extra spicy, but that's just because my brother's in town and I know he likes his things as spicy as I do, so we're going to be making it with just a bit of an extra tang. Let's go through the ingredients and see what we have. First up is 50 grams of butter. We have 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which I've added in here. This is 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of clear honey. We have 1 large onion. We need 2 tablespoons of demerara sugar. You can use brown sugar, dark brown sugar, but just try not to use white sugar. This caramelized sort of flavor really comes through in the barbecue sauce. Also in the same bowl, we have some English mustard. Over here, we have 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a pinch of dried herbs, and of course, our dried chili flakes. These are just dried peri-peri, and it's about 1.5 teaspoons. And then over here are my Brazilian pumpkins. So these guys over here are beautiful tasting pepper, but they got a decent amount of spice. So the Brazilian pumpkin is part of the Bacatum family of peppers. So sweet, and they got a very distinct flavor.
I know.
There we go, this has been cooked through nicely. So about 10 minutes simmering. All that's left to do is give it a taste and see how we did. It's such a good sauce. I do love it. It's got a good blend of flavors. Probably could have gone a touch hotter than that. So I'll probably add a bit more spice to this because I know my brother will probably complain, not hot enough. Be careful because the sweetness does offset the heat quite a bit. So before you start adding any more peppers, just give it some time to build up the heat in your mouth. This does need a little bit more for myself and for my brother, but it's got a good tang, good spice, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you make this for yourself. And let me know in the comments below if you do, because I'd love to hear what you think of it. And until the next video, stay spicy.